Aloha, I'm Tiffany, and this is a gentle and restorative new moon yoga practice. When our energy is depleted, this is a perfect way to restore, rebalance, and just heal. So it's the new moon today and partial solar eclipse, and I hope that this practice is beneficial for you. We begin this gentle restorative practice sitting in easy pose. So sit with the legs crossed, right leg crossed in front. Bring the hands to slowly cup the knees. Lengthen the spine, close the eyes, and begin to breathe in and out through the nose. Take a deep inhale. Hold the breath. And exhale, slowly release. Again, inhale, hold, and exhale. One more. Inhale, hold, exhale. Sit a little taller, take a deep inhale, and exhale, slowly turn the head to the right. Inhale, the head comes back to center, move soft, and exhale, head turns left. Inhale to center. One more time, exhale, head turns to the right. Inhale to center. Exhale, head turns to the left. Inhale to center. This time exhale and lower the right ear towards the right shoulder, and then circle the head forward and down and all the way around, making 3 nice circles this direction, working out any tension. With an inhale, we rise to center. And exhale, left ear to the left shoulder. We circle forward all the way around 3 times. Inhale, rise to center. And exhale, bring the hands back behind us, ground the fingertips. Inhale, draw the shoulder blades towards each other as we open the chest, open the throat, hold it here for 3 deep breaths. And then with an exhale, we start to fold forward, walk the hands forward, lower the head down, stretch the arms way out in front, and then breathe, soften, relax. Inhale, walk the hands back, slowly rise, and exhale, the hands cup the knees. Inhale, sit tall, and exhale, spinal twist to the right. Left hand is on the right knee, right fingers stretch back, turn the head back over the right shoulder, slow, deep breathing. One more inhale, deepen the twist, and then exhale, softly float back to center with the hands on the knees. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, twist to the left. Again, right hand comes to the left knee, left fingers stretch back, turn the head over the left shoulder, breathe deep, way into the belly. Deepen the twist, inhale, and then exhale, float back to center. Take a moment, soften the muscles of the face, relax. And then we'll transition placing the left leg to the front. Take a moment to allow the body to settle. Place the hands gently on the knees. Relax the fingers. Lengthen the spine. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Slowly turn the head to the right. Inhale to center. Exhale, head turns to the left. Inhale to center. Slow. One more time. Exhale to the right. Inhale to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale to center. This time, exhale, lower the right ear towards the right shoulder. Pick up the right hand and use the help of the right hand to guide the stretch, deepen the stretch. And then place the left hand over to the left side, left fingertips ground into the mat. Hold it here and breathe. Feel that beautiful stretch. Inhale back to center, lower the right hand down, and exhale, other side. Left ear towards the left shoulder, left hand just helps guide that stretch, right fingers ground. Breathe. Now we inhale and rise to center. And on the exhale, the hands come back behind, ground the fingertips. Inhale, open the chest, open the heart, draw the shoulder blades towards each other, and breathe. And next exhale, we slowly float forward and then down. Walk the hands way out in front, relax the head down, and breathe into that left hip. Soften. Now inhale and walk the hands back as we rise. Exhale, hands cup to the knees. Inhale, lengthen the spine, sit tall. Exhale, twist to the right. Now this time, bring the right arm just behind the back so the right fingers are coming off towards the left side. And we deepen the twist, hold and breathe. One more inhale. And exhale to center. Inhale at center. And exhale, twist left. Left arm wraps behind the back. Left fingers off to the right side. Slow, deep breathing. One more inhale. And then exhale, gently unwind. Hands cup the knees. Now from here, we move to the hands and knees. So take a moment to come onto the hands and knees, spread the fingers, balance the weight of the body, bring the big toes together to touch. And then from here, start to settle back in child's pose. But we're going to take the left arm, bend the left arm, use the left forearm as a pillow as we lower the head onto the left forearm and slowly walk the right fingers forward. So we're focusing on stretching and releasing through the right shoulder. Slow, deep breathing. And now lift the head a little bit and we're going to switch sides. So left arm extends, right arm bends, lower the forehead onto the right forearm, walk the left fingers forward, relax here, soften through the left shoulder, slow deep breathing. Good, now we'll slowly lift the head just a little bit. Extend both of the arms forward, walk the fingers forward, and then using an exhale, settle down into child's pose. Relax the forehead to the mat, hips settling over the heels, and just sway from side to side. Roll the forehead from side to side. Grounding, releasing, rebalancing. Slowly come up to the hands and knees, and then with an inhale, send your right arm out to the right side, and with an exhale, bring the right arm down and over to the left. So we're threading the right arm to the left side, lower the right ear down to the mat, hold it here, and then if you choose, take the left arm, wrap it behind the back, and grab a hold of the inner thigh, the right inner thigh. Hold it here, stacking the left shoulder high on top, and just breathe. Now we'll slowly release and inhale, come up to the hands and knees. Take a moment here. And then next inhale, extend the left arm out. And exhale, thread the arm under the right, lower the left ear down. And again, you can hold it here or take that right arm, wrap it behind the back, and grab a hold of the left inner thigh. Square the hips at center, stack the right shoulder on top. Soften the body with the breathing. Good. Now from here, we'll slowly release and inhale, come up to the hands and knees. And then exhale, we'll slowly sit on the heels, coming just for a moment in thunderbolt pose. Crown of the head reaches up to the sky, breathing through the nose. And now bring the hands over to the left side, slide the hips over to the left side, and circle the legs in front. Take a moment to adjust, sitting tall, flex the feet, and then inhale, stretch the arms up overhead, reach, and exhale, lengthen as we fold forward over the legs. Now we'll hold the feet or somewhere on the legs as we lengthen, soften, and continue folding. Next inhale, rise. And exhale, bring the knees close to the chest. So the hands can cup the knees for a moment and then bring the hands behind us. And we slowly lower down onto our backs and hug both of the knees to the chest. Close the eyes, soften the muscles of the face, and just sway. Now lower the feet down just a few inches away from the buttocks. Arms just rest to the sides. Take a deep inhale, and then exhale, draw the right knee in. Fingers interlace around that right knee. Just relax here and breathe. Take the stretch a little bit deeper And then we'll slowly transition to cross the right ankle over the left knee. Take a deep inhale here as the right knee opens to the right side, right foot flexes. And then slowly draw the left knee in, thread the right arm through the space between the legs, and relax here and breathe into the right hip. One more inhale, and then exhale, slowly release. Lower the feet down. Take a moment to adjust and balance the hips, and then a deep inhale. And exhale, draw the left knee in, interlace the fingers around the left knee. Relax here and stretch. One more inhale. And then exhale, slowly cross the left ankle over the right knee, flex the left foot, take a deep inhale, and exhale, thread the left arm through the space between the legs, interlace the fingers around the right knee, slow, deep breathing into the left hip and buttock. Relax the muscles of the face. And next exhale, slowly release. Lower both feet down. Adjust the hips. And then slowly hug the knees back to the chest again. Now inhale and float the arms to the sides, palms facing up. And exhale, twist, knees to the right, head to the left. Place the right hand gently on the left knee. Slow, deep breathing. Inhale, float to center. And exhale, knees to the left, head to the right. Left hand on the right knee, guiding the stretch. Soften the body with the breath. And then inhale to center. And exhale, lower the feet back down to the mat. And now open the knees apart, bring the soles of the feet together. Arms come overhead, hold on to opposite elbows. And rest here and breathe. Soften the body with the breath. Slowly bring the knees back together and then extend the legs down, and we come into corpse pose. Arms to the sides, palms face up. Eyes are closed. Follow the breathing. Relax the body from head to toe. Experience deep peace. And then slowly stretch the arms up overhead as we softly bend the knees. And then roll to the right side in a fetal position and rest here. And then we come up to a seated position, sitting once again in easy pose. Bring the right fingers to rest just on top of the left fingers. Tips of the thumbs together to touch. And just breathe. Feeling peaceful. Namaste.